Here's a handy tool from Sailrite for craft enthusiasts and those who love sewing. This cutter is incredibly versatile. It can work with materials like denim and leather, and it can even handle vinyl when needed. The tool is cordless and designed to be compact, making it convenient for one-handed operation. It offers 5 different speeds, ranging from 800 to 1400 revolutions per minute. Depending on what you're cutting, the material can be up to 2.5 centimeters thick. Additionally, the built-in light ensures comfort when working in poorly lit spaces. This useful tool is priced at $245. This tool by Wolfcraft is tucked away in catalogs under the unassuming code 3754000. However, it's incredibly handy, particularly for plumbers. It cuts perfectly straight and clean holes in kitchen sinks. It can handle sheet steel and stainless steel up to 1 millimeter thick. You should use a SW17 wrench during the process, resulting in a hole that's 35 millimeters in diameter. You can buy this tool and appreciate its German quality for $16.50. Greenlee G1 Versi-Tugger is a cordless handheld cable puller. It comes with a universal head that easily fits pipe diameters from 12.7 to 100 millimeters, offering 5 adjustable positions for optimal operation. The roller can handle cables up to 22 millimeters in diameter. This tool packs a pulling force of up to 554 kilograms and works with an 18 or 20-volt battery-powered drill. By making the most of these features, a craftsman can complete the job 68% faster than manually. This means the $964 investment will pay off quickly. The PVC Blanket is another product by Greenlee. It's a useful tool for workers who frequently need to bend plastic pipes. Essentially, it's a cross between a blanket and a heater. It comes in several sizes, accommodating pipes with diameters from 12.7 to 100 millimeters. It can bend pipes at angles ranging from 30 to 90 degrees, ensuring a heating temperature of over 149 degrees Celsius. For a secure fit, the PVC blanket features both Velcro and built-in stiffeners. This makes bending quick and efficient. However, this handy helper comes at a cost of around $800. The SYSLITE KAL C cordless working light is ideal for tight and confined spaces. Its head swivels 180 degrees, and its maximum brightness of 1200 lumens paired with a 5000 Kelvin color temperature replicates daylight. On its highest setting, the 4 amp-hour battery lasts for 6 hours. If there's no place to set the light, use the included hook or tripod. No need to worry about accidental drops either. The housing is shock-proof, dust-proof, and splash-proof. Plus, it works with all Festool batteries except the Ergo pack. The SYSLITE KAL C is priced at $109. Another German brand, Eibenstock, also has something intriguing for everyone. Meet the ERC 350, a system designed for cutting and chamfering pipes ranging from 8 to 35 centimeters in diameter. It's compatible with discs up to 125mm in diameter. The ERC350 comes with a vacuum cleaner connection to keep your workspace tidy. Notably, it's lightweight at 15 kilograms and features a retractable roller carriage for stable support. To experience all these perks, you'll need to invest $1,547. FEMEROL MIG 250 Pro is a versatile welding machine. Here are some of its key functions: MIG, or semi-automatic welding, MMA, or manual arc welding, and TIG, or argon arc welding with a non-consumable electrode. Once you select the gas and wire diameter, the machine automatically sets the current and feed speed, making it great for beginners. Experienced welders can easily adjust these settings, which are displayed on the built-in screen. Additionally, the 250 Pro can weld aluminium and runs on either 110 or 220 volts. Considering all these features, it's fair that the FEMEROL MIG 250 Pro is priced at just $250. The Klein Tools VDV 500 820 kit is made for testing the integrity of various cables, including Ethernet. It works with RJ45, RJ11, and RJ12 connectors, and includes an analog tone generator and tracing probe for precise and efficient tracing. A 3.5mm headphone jack helps you make accurate assessments, even in noisy environments. The tone signal can be sent up to 305 meters, and you can also confirm the line's polarity. Overall, this is a pretty handy kit, especially considering its reasonable price of $71. Cutting metal can be tough and risky, especially when you don't have the right tools and deadlines are looming. But there's a solution. Just find a drill with at least 500 watts of power, capable of maintaining a speed of 1500 to 3000 RPM, and equip it with CaNibble. This nibbler is designed to eliminate sparks, sharp edges, and burrs. Here's a short list of what customers can cut with it: 1.2mm thick stainless steel, 1.6mm thick corrugated iron, or 2mm thick brass, aluminium, and fiberglass. CaNibble also handles denim, leather, cardboard, and other materials. There's plenty of versatility here. All in all, $166 seems like a fair price for all this. Wood saw blades can be both strong and surprisingly fragile. Even tough woods like oak and pear can be cut easily. If you're not careful when storing the blades and leave them stacked on each other, the teeth can get chipped too. Woodpeckers Blade Savers cover can save you from the hassle and expense of replacements. Made of plastic, they're available for blades with diameters of 25 and 30 centimeters. Both sizes have removable links, allowing them to fit other blades. The covers are priced at $13 and $14 respectively. Remember the German brand Eibenstock? Not only do they assemble their products entirely in Germany, but they also manufacture 90% of the components themselves. It's reliable, and the price reflects that. The EES 1400 3-edge grinder costs around $690. While it might seem expensive, consider what this tool can do. It excels in window openings, niches for radiators, and other challenging areas. Working with concrete, tile adhesive, screed, plaster, and other materials becomes much easier. The disc diameter for this model is 44mm, and the RPM is adjustable from 4,000 to 13,000. For a clean process, the machine can be connected to a vacuum cleaner. How common are frame houses? Let's turn to statistics for an answer. In countries like Japan, Finland, and the US, the percentage of single-family frame houses in low-rise construction is impressive, reaching 45, 63, and 95% respectively. So the creators of FrameFAST won't run out of demand anytime soon. Their system consists of 3 heads, 1 tool, and a 15cm long fastener with a Torx tap drive system. The goal is to make Worx simpler and faster without compromising quality. Now, builders can say goodbye to ladders, nail guns, and tie bars. Putting elements together with FrameFAST is up to 5 times quicker than using traditional methods. Plus, the angle is always spot on. We couldn't help but mention the next accessory from Wolfcraft. This holder is an ideal addition to your drill, rotating horizontally a full 360 degrees and vertically 90 degrees. It lets you securely lock your tool in place. But its versatility doesn't stop at drills. If needed, the clamp can assist with milling machines and grinders, as long as their collar diameter fits within 43mm. Overall, it's a handy aluminium tool that you can get for $39.50. The Italian company Cardi specializes in diamond drilling solutions and is one of the leaders in both domestic and global markets. Today, they present the 202K Core Drill Kit. Its standout feature is an advanced safety system that combines electronic and mechanical elements. For instance, if water touches live parts, the motor automatically shuts off. But let's talk about the drilling. It can create holes in concrete and reinforced concrete, ranging from 32 to 152mm in diameter. When working with brick, stone, and similar materials, it can drill up to 202mm. Notably, it can operate without a water supply. The price of the Cardi 202K is available upon request, but similar models cost around $1,500. Welcome to the world of painting. Meet MARSHALLTOWN, a company that's transformed the ordinary paint bucket into something special. Let's see if it's worth the $10 you're going to have to pay for it. First off, it has a strap instead of a handle, making the 950ml container easy to hold with one hand. Secondly, they've added magnets to hold brushes and rollers in place. If you accidentally dip your tool too deeply, 2 wiping blades and a roll-off ramp will help return excess paint to the bucket. 2 spouts make it easy to pour leftover paint into the can. So, what do you think? Is this a good set of features for the price of 2 cups of coffee? The Sercel 508XT is a land-based seismic acquisition system, and it's quite impressive. It's particularly useful in exploring oil and gas reservoirs. With the Sercel 508XT, experts can record up to 1 million seismic channels in real time. The The SYSLITE version of this system is designed to work in almost any environment, from deserts to the Arctic. It can handle temperatures ranging from 70 to -40 degrees Celsius. Plus, the new quiet size sensor makes the system 3 times quieter than its predecessors. Here's a tool that's a bit simpler, but is sure to catch the eye of gardeners. Weed Wrench. It makes removing weeds and small trees a breeze. Essentially, it's a lever with a clamp, but its simplicity is what makes it so effective. With the Weed Wrench, you can pull out unwanted plants without leaving any roots behind. Plus, it doesn't need batteries, outlets, or any other hassles. Meanwhile, the experts at Epacking have been quietly revolutionizing the packaging industry. They provide customers across various fields, from pharmaceuticals to food, with a simple yet effective solution. The DRM-350W dispenser doesn't rely on complex electronics, AI, or other high-tech features. Instead, it uses full-pack paper made entirely from recycled material. The paper is fed into the boxes as needed, filling voids that were previously occupied by bubble wrap or foam peanuts. It's a much greener option. Plus, full-pack paper comes in densities ranging from 70 to 90 grams per meter squared, ensuring even glass and ceramics are well protected. Once upon a time, the engineers at Worx designed a chainsaw that was truly one of a kind. Today, you can find it as part of their Jawsaw series. What makes it stand out is its unique design that combines a steel-toothed clamp with a saw bar in a way that's unlike anything else on the market. Adding to its appeal is the fact that it's battery-powered. Plus, it has a fairly modest weight at 3.7 kilograms in the WG307 version. This model is capable of cutting branches up to 10 centimeters in diameter. If you're looking to add something innovative to your tool collection, the Jawsaw can be yours for $130. And now, Huanyu will showcase its take on wall chasers. Their tool is great for working with brick, concrete, and marble. It boasts a power of 4,800 watts and allows for quick depth adjustment up to 40 millimeters using just one wrench. Dust and dirty water are collected in a closed container, and you can also connect a vacuum cleaner. The set includes 10 discs with a diameter of 125 millimeters, operating at a speed of 9,000 RPM. According to sellers, it cuts through brick walls like a hot knife through butter. Anyone ready to spend $599 to try it out? Pallet trucks usually struggle on surfaces like grass, dirt, or gravel. To boost their off-road capabilities and speed up pallet handling, a man offers an upgrade called HUTAN. These are inserts that securely attach either to the truck itself or to the pallet. They can handle loads of up to 500 kilograms and feature wheels that can be inflated up to 5 atmospheres. It seems convenient, but the big question is the HUTAN worth its $369 price tag?